Hi everybody, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Jara if this is your first time here, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you guys. Today video is going to be a video on this Kipling, Gabbie in small that you see here. And I'm going to try to make this video quick. So here is the bag. Here's the front of her. Here's the side. She has a side pocket. Here's the back. She has a back pocket. And then here is the other side. There's another pocket. Here's the strap. You have this web strap here. And then let's start right away. So, how y'all doing? Happy July. How was everybody's 4th? Mine was great. I did exactly what I wanted to do because my birthday was July 3rd. I am a Cancer, so this is the month or the time of the Cancer. So, let's get into it because I'm trying not to make this a long video. So, the front, I have my wet ones and some tissue. I just love this little bag, you guys, for weekends, and if you're going to be really busy and maybe you're going to be outside for a little bit. It's durable. Look at that big thick zipper. Look at that. Love it. Smooth too. So in this section I have some sunscreen, and this is Hawaiian Tropic Sheer Touch SPF 30 in Island Botanicals, and I just put it in this little container right here that I got from Walmart because I've been outside a little bit, so I want to protect myself. SPF is important. Here's my keys, like this. You guys have seen it. And I have a, not bandana, handkerchief. So that is what I have in this pocket. So, for the first time, if you don't know, let me say this. Kipling bags come with a little monkey attached. Some are furry. This is like a plastic or a rubber. I prefer the plastic ones. I normally take these monkeys off because it's really not my style. But I kept this one on because it's kind of little, and I prefer these over the furry ones. Okay, moving forward. This side pocket, I have just some Welch's fruit snacks in case I want a little snack while I'm out and about. I had a granola bar in there, but I ate that. And then on the other pocket, in the other pocket, I have a reusable straw, and it looks like this. Okay, it's so cute. So there's my reusable straw. Because like I said, I've been out and about. I can't get that on right now. And then I have my pocket knife. Looks like this. You guys have seen this before. I haven't carried it in a while though. But, you know, I was at some, you know, out and about. And I always feel like I need a weapon or something on me, on my persons. Anyway, so the back. I have N95 mask. I have my phone, and this is a fairly large, this is a iPhone 12 Pro Max, so it's a large size phone and it fits in this pocket just fine. Put that back, phone, mask, and my straw. I want to put that, where was that? My straw goes here. Because I'm not ready to move out of this bag yet, you guys. So I'm going to carry this bag for another couple of days. Alright. So let's get into what I have on the inside. Right, so here is a bird's eye view of what my overview looks like. So this is the inside. All right, Let me show you what I have inside. So I have my eyeglass case. Here's my wallet, which is also from Kipling. It looked like this. I really like this wallet. And then I have this creativity pouch that I love. And it just has some of my, I'm recording. It just has some of my little girly items in here. Real quick, some bandages. Hold on, you guys. Peanut, I'm recording. I'm recording. Okay, and then I have my pill case, my eye drops, a little dental floss, and a little Swiss Army tool here. So that's what I had in that section. This creativity pouch has 3 sections. And then in this zippered section, I have some, let's see, the little card that this pouch came with, some lens wipes, and shout wipe. This back section, I have some face cream and a Neutrogena wipe, a fingernail file, and my eyebrow eyelash groomer. Okay, so that is all I had in this creativity pouch. Then I have this drawstring pouch right here. I purchased this off of Amazon, and it has some candy and mints and some couple of my gum, and then a couple of these great value low calorie drink mix. I want more of these little pouches, y'all. They so cute, they're so convenient, and what I like a lot about them is that they're pliable, you know, so they conform to whatever shape it takes on inside of your bag. I really like these. And then I have my AirPods. This is the first generation. This is my very first pair of AirPods that I purchased. They only stay charged for about maybe 40 minutes. And then after that, that's why I replaced them with the Pros. But I can't find my Pros right now, so here's this. And then at the bottom, I just have my Cottonelle wipes. Don't leave home without them. And then I have a new to me product, you guys. This is the Eucerin Sensitive Mineral Face Zinc Oxide Protection 35 SPF. It's a tinted facial sunblock, and I've been testing it out over the last couple of days. It looked like this. Y'all see that? So yeah, it's okay. It takes a little bit for it to absorb into my skin, and it's okay. My husband says it makes me look shiny, and then I'll just use a little bit of pressed powder to kind of, like, I don't know, make it look better. But it's okay. Look like that. Then I have, there's a little pocket here. Then I have my hand cream by L'Occitane. This NYX Fat Oil Lip Gloss looks like this. I'm wearing it now. It's the only type of makeup I have on. And I do still have some of this I still have some of this SPF on right now as well, and a little bit of powder. I hope I don't look too bad. But yeah, I've been working with this for about 2 days now. It's okay. Anyway, the lip gloss, love it. Then I have my Palmer's lip balm. And then I have a atomizer, perfume atomizer, that I have some Dolce & Gabbana, the only one, or something like that. I forget. But anyway, that's what I have in here. See, I didn't mark it, so I always forget. Dolce & Gabbana, on True Blue or something like that. I can't remember the name of it, y'all. And then that is all I have in that pocket. And then in the back zipper pocket, I leave it unzipped so that I can get to my items quickly. And I just have my notebook that I'm loving, this little notebook right here by Moleskine. Look like this. And my little pen that I love is kind of a small short ink pen right here that I like, a ballpoint pen. It writes really nice and fine and small. It's perfect for this notebook. Okay, put that back. And then what else? Just my little cards and stuff that I like to keep to the bag. Yup, Kipling, Gabbie in small, color mahogany. That's what that is. So that is all that I have. Dang, y'all, I still have some of that SPF on my face. My bag. Yep. That's it, you guys. So I'm going to pack her back up. And as I do that, I want to say to you, I hope that everything is going well with you guys. Summertime. Everything is on and popping. Stay safe. And peace be upon you. And I'll talk to you real soon, okay, guys? Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah. Cancer month, Cancer month. Cancer's in the house.